Deco Gear 49-inch QD-OLED review. Can this ultra-wide monitor replace your entire setup? Feeling boxed in by your screen, like your creativity is caged and your games feel flat? That endless shuffle of dragging windows, resizing apps, and wishing you had more space, it's exhausting. If that sounds familiar, type yes below. Because what I'm about to show you isn't just more screen. It's a completely different way of seeing and doing everything. The stress of juggling projects, the blur from switching tabs nonstop, and the burnout of long hours can crush your focus. Even gaming loses its spark when visuals look cramped or washed out. Imagine expanding your world, sharper details, fluid motion, and true-to-life color, all without chaos. Stay tuned, because the solution you've been waiting for is closer than you think. Introducing the Deco Gear 49-inch QD-OLED curved ultra-wide gaming monitor, built to smash limits and unlock focus. Picture a 32:9 dual QHD canvas, 5,120 by 1440 pixels of pure clarity, stretching across your desk like two premium monitors without a bezel gap. Dot OLED brings infinite contrast, radiant color, and HDR400 True Black for cinematic immersion, whether editing video timelines or racing at midnight circuits. Gamers love the lightning-fast 144 Hz refresh and 0.03 milliseconds response that keep every frame razor-sharp, while AdaptiveSync Premium wipes out tearing. Professionals say multitasking flows naturally, spreadsheets on one side, coding on the other, without clutter. Add the comfort of a height-adjustable stand, built-in speakers, and eye protection modes, and those long sessions feel effortless. Versatility shines with HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, and USB-C delivering 90-watt power, one cable for charging, data, and display. Want a bonus? The built-in KVM switch lets you manage two computers with a single keyboard and mouse. That means less cable mess, more clarity, and maximum control. Your desk finally works with you, not against you. Here's where it gets exciting, because this isn't just about size, it's about transformation. Experts call the Deco Gear 49-inch QD-OLED a breathtaking display that rivals models twice the cost, praising its infinite contrast and smooth motion. Influencers rave that sim racing feels like stepping into VR without a headset, while creators love editing timelines across the full ultra-wide stretch. Analysts note it's a disruptive force in the premium monitor market, pushing QD-OLED mainstream by bundling pro-level features like 90-watt USB-C docking and PIP multitasking. Real users back this up. Developers run code, browsers, and test windows all at once without losing flow. Video editors say color accuracy makes grading reliable. Gamers highlight buttery frames with zero lag. One multitasker even ditched dual screens entirely, freeing space and stress. Comfort wins too. Flicker-free tech, brightness auto-adjust, and heat management keep sessions healthy and panels lasting. Which feature speaks to you most? The immersive curve, the all-in-one connectivity, or the buttery-fast gameplay? Comment below. Thousands are buzzing because this isn't just a monitor. It's a desk revolution, a creative partner, and a gaming beast, all fused into one panoramic experience. This is your chance to level up where others already have. Gamers, creators, and professionals worldwide are switching, and they're not looking back. Why stay cramped when you can stretch your world, sharpen your visuals, and smooth out every frame? Don't let this opportunity pass. Grab your Deco Gear 49-inch QD-OLED today and unlock features like KVM switching, HDR400 True Black brilliance, and single cable docking. Your upgrade isn't waiting forever. Tap now and claim the ultra-wide future sitting right in front of you.